Abby, brown bear. Roar. 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 Abby, quack quack. That's bear. Bear. Roar. Oh. That's bird. Quack quack. How about bear? What sound does bear make? Abby, bear. How about roar. Grrr. Grrr. No? How about yellow duck? That's bear. Grrr. How about yellow duck? Quack quack. How about quack quack? Quack quack. Quack quack. Abia, yellow duck. Quack quack. Neigh, neigh, said the horse. Abia, neigh. How about neigh? Horse, neigh. What else is there? Abia, whoa, whoa. How about whoa, whoa? Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Sheep says ba. Ba. How about Abia, ba. Ba, ba, said the sheep. Which one you want? Bear? Roar. How about roar? Looking for the red bird? Bear. Roar. Red bird? How about yellow duck? Quack quack. How about quack quack? How about whoa whoa? Can you say whoa whoa? How about whoa whoa? Whoa whoa. Sheep said ba. Fish. Teacher. Can you say teacher? Teacher. How about 언니? 언니들. 언니. 언니. Abby, where's bear? Bear. How about bear? Bear. Grrr. Abby, that's teacher. Wawa's here. Wawa's here. This way.